Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Kalispera. I'm a bit reluctant to mention that I'm in fact Norwegian, given the Norwegian government stance on EU ETS and ongoing regulatory discussions, but there you have it, I'm Norwegian. I'm going to spend the first couple of minutes basically describing who we are in Jotun and what we offer. Jotun's remarkable history is grounded in the company's core mission. Jotun protects property. And since 1926, when Jotun was founded, we have been on a mission to protect property in every corner of the world. And it began with a solution to one of the greatest challenges at that time, protecting ice-going vessels trading in the Atlantic Oceans from corrosion. And today we protect assets in a variety set of industries such as energy, shipping, and infrastructure all around the world. The company values loyalty, care, respect, and boldness are the building blocks of our company's culture. They lay the foundation for how we interact with customers, how we approach the many challenges we meet, all to protect property in the best way we can. We are presently the fastest growing paints company with more than 10,000 employees present in more than 100 countries with 40 production factories and have headquarters in Norway and regional hubs in Dubai, Kuala Lumpur, and Shanghai. So whenever you spot a vessel flying in last night over Piraeus, I could see some vessels lying around there. And from a statistical point of view, 27% of those vessels would be protected by Jotun. Now the challenge at hand is that all these vessels have individual needs. They have their specific trades, they have their schedules, different layout and idling positions. And so how do we go about caring for the needs of the ever-growing world fleet and the individual needs of all these vessels? In Jotun, it all starts with a solution called Jotun Voyager. It's an in-house developed operational analysis tool that provides an extremely detailed overview of relevant operational parameters, either on an individual vessel basis or across a clustered fleet group. And the portal is available for customers upon request. We now have all sailing vessels in above 5,000 deadweight tonnage. That's more than 70,000 vessels with 7 years of historical operational data. If required, we can review fouling pressure by applying an in-house developed proprietary fouling prediction algorithm. And this offers an assessment of accumulative fouling pressure, either as an individual vessel or across a fleet of vessels. And this too is a service that we offer to selected customers. So why Clean Shipping Commitment, which is the title of my presentation? By now we are all aware of the impact of having a clean hull. A clean hull reduces speed loss and thereby saves fuel. It reduces downtime and assists in ensuring regulatory compliance, and it protects biodiversity by reducing the risk of transmigration of foreign aquatic species. Protecting the merchant fleet from biofouling has the potential of cutting CO2 emissions by as much as 19%. Regulations related to the prevention of marine aquatic species are getting ever stricter, and having a clean hull moving forward is going to be essential. And as I've been preaching up here many times, a clean hull is an efficient hull. It ensures cleaner operations and more efficient operations. So Jotun has, since the company was founded in 1926, been committed to innovate and provide the industry with cutting-edge products and solutions aiming at ensuring clean hulls. Some of the recent highlights are the introduction of our market-leading Quantum technology back in 2000, followed by the introduction of hull performance solutions in 2010. And then in 2017, we launched Jotun Voyager. And in early 2020, we launched the revolutionary hull skating solutions, the first ever proactive hull cleaning solution. And right here in beautiful Athens during Poseidonia in 2022, we launched Hull Keeper, a solution that allows operators to make better decisions faster, and more breakthrough innovations will follow from Jotun. Now, let's dive into some of the solutions we have available and the impact that they could have. Hull Performance Solutions, introduced in 2010, has been applied by now to more than 2,000 vessels, offering quantifiable in-service performance by the utilization of ISO 19030, the methodology of measuring hull and propeller performance over time, and proudly based on a Jotun in-house methodology. Hull skating solutions. The very first proactive cleaning solutions where the tool, the robot, is being kept on board vessels at all time, offering full operational flexibility. Hull Keeper is kind of a set of services you can pick and choose, either as individual services or as the whole package, launched here as mentioned in Athens, enabling operators to make better decisions at a much faster state, and thereby allowing for reduced downtime, reduced operational expenses, and cleaner shipping moving forward. And as a result of these services, Jotun has, for our customers, been involved in saving as much as 7.9 million tons of CO2 in 2022 alone, and that's equivalent to plus 2.5 million tons of heavy fuel oil, to put it in that perspective. So what's next? What's coming moving forward? Hull skating solution is evolving. It's becoming more mature, and the skate station rail, as you see on the image, is the latest to this breakthrough innovation. It's a cabinet that allows the robot to dock and undock with minimal involvement from crew, and having a very, very slim footprint. So we can even squeeze this onto modern container vessels where space is notoriously limited. It also allows for a gradually more autonomous operation of the hull skater. And the solution is part of a project known as C0, which was launched at Nord Shipping in Norway last year. Now, this project has 14 partners, and Jotun was very early on circled as one of the desired partners. And obviously, we appreciated the invitation and took part in this very prestigious endeavor. The ambitious goal is to have the very first zero-emission vessel ready to sail by 2030. The vessel will utilize air lubrication. It will have sky sails retractable with embedded solar panels. It will be battery operated, going up and down the vast Norwegian coastline. And in addition, we will ensure that it's being delivered with advanced coatings and a proactive cleaning solution powered by the hull skater. So again, Jotun stands committed to deliver to this project an innovative zero-emission coating solution, which shall deliver market-leading hull performance and which will be powered by the hull skater, and then truly delivering on what we call Jotun's clean shipping commitments. So ladies and gentlemen, key takeaway from my end is that different trades and different services require different products and solutions. And in Jotun, we have both the tools needed, we have the knowledge, and we have the products and solutions to cater for these very specific needs. And with that, thank you very much. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ.